Hello guys! Nami karon sa Chali Beach. Dinhi sa Kugman. What a beautiful picture. What a beautiful place. Refreshing. Bracing. You feel... Yeah. Welcome to Chali Beach. The wonderful also beaches here in Cagayan de Oro. Oh, there's... No.
And a monkey.
Yeah. And then we go to the second floor. So this is the Chali Beach. And then we go upstairs of the acacia tree. This acacia is preserved by the owner of the resort. Because they said this is a lucky charm for their business. So, what's the guest tell us? We just say what it is and that it's true, maybe, because it say it. We go to the third floor of this tree house. Wow. See? Wow. See? Wow. So this is all the Chali area. Wow. And this is Rose. Hi. And this is Mel. Mel is from Israel. And this is Ali from Jollibee Food Corporation.
Australia.
And Australia also. And may I excuse for a while? I could pass? Wow. So wow, right? Wow.